Hey there, friends. I'm filming this quick video for two reasons. One is a hopefully public service announcement, and the other one is a little bit of a rant and hopefully some guidance for you regarding one of the hottest topics right now, which is peptides. Peptides are amazing substances. There are more and more people starting to use them, incorporating them into wellness packages, as well as medical clinics that are starting to see the benefit of these remarkable compounds and how to integrate them into some preventative health care, especially if you're looking at a functional doctor or a DO who starts to look at preventative measures versus just acute reactions. But here's the challenge. I get messages like this, text messages, emails all the time. There are thousands of companies online now marketing to you about the benefits of BPC 157, Thymosin Beta-4, Epitalon, a lot of amazing substances that can have a huge impact on your health and well-being, not just now, but even 10 years from now. But here's what I am begging you not to do. Don't just go online, start buying these products and start injecting yourself. There are so many things that you need to know. I have been using and learning about and teaching people about peptides for close to 17 years. Is BPC, for example, an amazing compound that most people can use? Yes, most people. But there are plenty of people that can have a very negative reaction to it. There are people with autoimmune conditions that bringing in something as seemingly mild as BPC can create a autoimmune reaction or a Herx reaction that sets them way back. So please work with somebody who can offer you real guidance, a reputable company and or doctor who can help you navigate what is a best peptide or peptide stack, how to bring them in systematically so that you don't damage your system and create unwanted outcomes, and so that you can actually reach a goal that you're looking for. I also want to say, if you're not doing the basics, if you're not paying attention to sleep, consistent exercise and movement, and addressing your basic nutrition, eating healthier types of foods versus just junk and processed foods, peptides are not the end-all be-all. They fill in gaps when your body is working well. They can also help with some acute injury, but they're not the magic antidote. There is no magic pill. Start with the basics first. I hope this is helpful. I hope this is informative. Please, if you're interested in peptides, have been looking at them, considering them, wondering if they're right for you, reach out to me. I'm happy to have a conversation and see what might be beneficial for you and how they could be part of a long-term health optimization and wellness plan. Reach out to me at René Caruso Life. You can find me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram under René Caruso. Hope to talk to you soon.